How to download, install, register, and purchase HMA Android app. Note: VPN, proxy, or ad blockers can cause some issues with payment processing. Important: please download our latest Android and Google Play services update. 1. Download and install the Hmavpn Android app. Once you have downloaded and installed the Hmavpn Android app from Google Play, you can start it via App Drawer or home screen shortcut. You will now see the main login screen of the app. See screenshot. 2. Perform the account registration. If you don't have an Hmavpn account yet, tap the Start Free Trial button and on the next page, choose your preferred plan. Google Play Store will ask you to confirm. Just click on Continue and add your credit/debit card details if you haven't already. Note: if you prefer, you can register on our website at https://www.hmavpn.com/pricing, where you may see additional payment options. For full instructions, please see how to register and purchase. 3. Purchasing a subscription via Google Play. If you wish to pay via Google Play, using the credit card or other methods assigned to your Google account, the payment process works just as when purchasing other apps via the Google Play Store. Select a payment plan. This can be either 1, 6, or 12 months. Tap on Purchase to start the ordering process. A confirmation window will pop up, stating, product name, Pro VPN, subscription, price, in your currency, type and last 4 digits of your credit card. Tap on Confirm to proceed and confirm your purchase. If you haven't set Google Play to auto-confirm purchases without asking for your Google password, you will now be asked to enter it. Tap Confirm again. 4. Purchasing a subscription via PayPal. When selecting PayPal as your payment gateway, you just need to select a payment plan, 1 month/6 months/12 months, and then tap on Purchase. You will be redirected to PayPal to log in and authorize this payment. Amount to be paid will be displayed for you to agree and continue. Once this is complete, your order will be processed. 5. Finish the installation of Hmavpn for Android. Once your PayPal or Google Play is confirmed, your HMA Android app will be ready and you will be able to start enjoying the service. 6. Login into Hmavpn for Android. If you already have an Hmavpn account, click on Already Purchased. Simply enter your HMA email or username and main password and tap Login, or enter your license key. User/password forgotten. If you have forgotten your username or password, tap the Forgot Password button. Here just enter your registered email address or username, and we'll send you an email stating your username and a link to reset your password. Alternatively, you can follow this link, Forgotten Password, at https://my.hmavpn.com/n-eu/$forgotten-password.